Hey guys, welcome to Food Treasure. Today we're going to show you how to make pancake, very easy way. Let's begin with the ingredients. Here we have a plain flour which is 160 gram approximately. We got some sugar, that's 45 gram. We get some baking soda, like if you're not using the self-rising flour, so we need a baking soda. And we got some pinch of salt, banana for the garnish later. We got milk, that's like a 400 ml. We got some melted unsalted butter, which is a 50 gram, and with 20 gram extra for to cook the pancake. And we got 2 eggs. Here we have a vanilla essence, maple syrup, this for garnish, and icing sugar. So the plain flour, which is already sifted through, so there's no lump. We got the baking soda. So first we're gonna add all the dry stuff. So we gotta mix through very well. So instead of plain flour, as I already mentioned, you can use the self-rising flour too. So if you use the self-rising flour, you don't need to add the baking soda. So now I'm adding this sugar. So all the dry stuff, the pinch of salt as well. So now it's time to add milk. Crack egg, and the butter. As you can see, our batter is a little thick, so you can add a little bit more milk. Our texture is beautiful. Just have a look. We got the vanilla essence, just 1 cap, so which is about a spoon, the teaspoon actually, so which will give you the good flavor. And our batter is good to go. We got the flame on. Got our pan on the heat. We'll let it heat our pan before we put some butter on it. So you gotta make sure it's hot enough. You gotta brush some oil, the butter. So now, 1 big ladle of the batter, I'm going to put in the center. We'll put our heat in medium. Too high will burn our pancake from the bottom. As you can see, slowly changing the look. You'll see some holes like once it cooked from the bottom, so you'll release the oxygen from the bottom, and then you can see on the top. So it's kind of bubbly things on the top. That means the bottom part of the pancake is cooked, and it's time to flip the pancake. So it's time to flip our pancake. As you can see, nice golden brown, crispy from outside, still soft inside. Nice and floppy pancake. It's good to go. We keep continuing that. You see, I got the banana. It's split in half. Brush some butter on it. You can do the spray oil. It's totally up to you. And sprinkle some sugar. The sugar gonna give a like nice golden color in it. So I'm gonna put it there. This for our garnish. We don't want to burn it. We just want to give a good color and soft at the same time too. So this is pretty much good. So now time to serve our pancake. Alright, so it's time to plate our pancake. Just taking the pancake. We got the caramelized banana. And we got some maple syrup here. And finally, we got icing sugar.